Hey, it's Emily from WTI. Do you want to know how to take all of your used yogurt containers from this to this to this? Well, let me introduce you to these cool silicone lids from Volcanoes Club that are designed to fit those little glass yogurt jars. I think this is such an ingenious way to reduce, reuse, and recycle. These silicone lids are awesome because they are dishwasher proof, microwave proof, they're leak proof, they're not going to get moldy, they're made from a BPA-free plastic, they're food safe, they're just awesome. They're such a cute and convenient size. They're great for storing leftovers, for taking a quick lunch with you to work. You can freeze them. They're also awesome around the house. You can store cosmetics, toiletries. You can store office supplies. They're just so convenient. They turn those what would be wasted glass jars into adorable storage for anything. The quality of these is awesome, and I love that they perfectly fit a nice stack in a wide mouth canning jar, so they're easy to store as well. I think you're going to love them too. I think you're going to find a million uses for those little jars now, but that's just my point of view.